airbike looks like a motorcycle, but hints at flight. What if your next motorcycle didn't just ride, but hinted at soaring through the air? Meet the Volonaut Airbike, also known as the Airvolt, where electric speed meets futuristic ambition. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds and cruises comfortably at 107 miles per hour, powered by a pure electric AC motor and lithium-ion phosphate batteries. Its titanium cage, carbon fiber, and Kevlar body keep it light but tough, ready to perform and built to last. The base model gets up to 51 miles of range in economy mode, or 21 in full-throttle street riding. Upgrade to the Deluxe, and you're looking at 162 miles economy or 53 miles on the street. Dual alloy wheels, advanced suspension, and a fully enclosed aerodynamic design make handling smooth and sharp. With aircraft-style LEDs, halogen headlights, a full set of digital gauges, and a 10-year parts warranty, this machine looks and feels ahead of its time. It's not road-approved yet, but the Airbike isn't just a ride. It's a bold look at what the future of personal transportation could become. What if your next rideshare took off, literally? Meet the Supernal Saw 2, the future of city travel. This all-electric air vehicle is built to change how we move through urban space. With room for 1 pilot and 4 passengers, it cruises at 120 miles per hour, flying 1,500 feet above traffic for trips up to 40 miles. Its 8 tilting rotors make for a smooth vertical takeoff and silent, steady cruise. Just 45 decibels in the air, it's quieter than your morning coffee shop. The Saw 2's sleek, nature-inspired design features a modular cabin that adapts to your needs, offering comfort, wide visibility, and safety. Engineered with multiple redundant systems, from powertrain to flight controls, it meets the highest aviation standards. And with its first test flights coming soon, commercial flights are already on the radar for 2028. This isn't just about flying, it's about freeing cities from gridlock. The Saw 2 is the next leap in clean, quiet, and connected mobility. Imagine skipping traffic at 200 miles per hour. Welcome to the Ace V Slipstream Elite. This sleek, 2-seater electric VTOL isn't just about flying, it's about rethinking what luxury in the skies should feel like. Its futuristic lifting body design and slipstream airflow tech create a perfect aerodynamic profile, boosting efficiency and stability mid-flight. With a top speed of 200 miles per hour and a max range of 125 miles, it shifts effortlessly between cruising modes. Whether you're soaring fast or landing smooth, the ride stays sharp and controlled. Designed for both hands-on flying and remote piloting, it adapts to how you want to move. Inside, it's not just transport, it's a tech suite. Integrated Face ID, a sleek touchscreen control panel, and business connectivity turn this craft into a flying workspace. And thanks to its compact footprint, it can land on yachts, rooftops, or private helipads with ease. The Slipstream Elite isn't just elevating travel, it's rewriting the future of personal flight. And thanks to its compact footprint, it can land on yachts, rooftops, or private helipads with ease. The Slipstream Elite isn't just elevating travel, it's rewriting the future of personal flight. Introducing the Cyclotech Cruise Up, the air car that takes urban travel to new heights, the future of personal air travel, now within reach. The Cyclotech Cruise Up is a groundbreaking 2-seat electric air car, built to redefine urban and suburban transportation. Powered by advanced cyclorotor technology, it offers 360 degrees thrust vectoring, delivering unmatched precision and control with no need for traditional control surfaces. With a top speed of 150 km per hour and a range of 100 km, the Cruise Up is perfect for quick, efficient trips around the city. Its compact design ensures you can easily park and navigate through tight spaces, making it ideal for crowded urban environments. While details remain limited, the Cruise Up is a bold step forward in personal air mobility, showcasing the possibilities of electric flight for everyday use. The sky is the limit, and the Cruise Up is leading the way. While details are still emerging, the Cruise Up marks a bold leap toward revolutionizing how we navigate our cities. The future of travel is airborne, and the Cruise Up is leading the charge. Forget traffic jams. Imagine soaring above the city in the bellwether Volar. Imagine skipping traffic in something that looks like a flying supercar. That's the bellwether Volar, a futuristic EV aircraft built for the heart of the city. With no wings and a fully hidden electric propulsion system, it lifts off vertically, making tight rooftops and small spaces its playground. Its aerodynamic shape isn't just eye-catching, it's purpose-built for urban skies. In early tests, the half-scale prototype reached 13 feet in altitude and cruised at 25 miles per hour, proving it's more than just a concept. What sets the Volar apart is its seamless blend of sleek design and smart engineering, all packed into a vehicle made to glide above city chaos. Think of it as the next-gen alternative to both traffic jams and carbon emissions. The future of city travel isn't just airborne, it's beautifully engineered. The Volar isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about reshaping the future of transportation. Introducing the Jetoptera J2000, where innovation takes flight. The Jetoptera J2000 is revolutionizing how we think about air travel. This futuristic aircraft is designed for both urban and intercity journeys, with a groundbreaking fluidic propulsion system that uses compressed air instead of traditional blades. The result? Quieter, safer, and more efficient flights. With a top speed of 200 miles per hour and a range of 200 miles, the J2000 is perfectly suited for air taxi services. It can carry up to 2,000 pounds, making it ideal for both personal and commercial use. Powered by a hybrid electric system, it combines efficiency with scalability while ensuring smooth operation in bustling cityscapes. The J2000 is a game-changer for aerial mobility, blending innovation and practicality to redefine personal and commercial transportation. It's not just a new aircraft, it's a glimpse into the future of how we'll move through the skies. The Jetoptera J2000 isn't just another aircraft, it's a game-changer for both personal and commercial aerial mobility. This is the future of flight, quiet, efficient, and built for tomorrow's cities. Think rush hour traffic is bad? Midnight flies right over it, literally. Meet the Archer Midnight, a sleek, all-electric aircraft built to transform how we move through cities. With space for one pilot and 4 passengers, it cruises at 241 kilometers per hour and covers up to 50 kilometers, depending on weight and weather. Its 12-rotor design isn't just for show. 6 tilt for vertical takeoff and landing, while the other 6 power smooth, energy-efficient flight. Add a max takeoff weight of 6,500 pounds and a payload over 1,000 pounds, and you've got a flying machine built for back-to-back trips with hardly any downtime. Midnight isn't just another futuristic concept, it's a serious answer to the growing demand for fast, clean, and flexible urban transport. From crowded streets to quiet skies, Midnight signals a new era of everyday flight. What if your weekend getaway started with 260 horsepower and a cruise speed of over 200 knots? Meet the Pipistrel Panthera, a light aircraft built for speed, style, and serious range. This 4-seater blends high performance with smart design. Its Lycoming engine delivers power, while the lightweight composite frame keeps it agile in the sky. With a wingspan of nearly 36 feet and a sleek aerodynamic body, it sips fuel without sacrificing speed, flying up to 1,000 nautical miles on a single tank. Inside, it's just as impressive. The roomy cabin comfortably seats 4 adults, and a modern avionics suite puts advanced control at your fingertips, boosting safety and awareness mid-flight. Whether you're a weekend pilot or a private aviation lover, the Panthera makes long-distance flight personal, efficient, and smooth. This isn't just a plane, it's a refined leap forward in personal air travel. What if your next commute felt more like piloting a jet than riding a bike? Meet the UDX Airwolf, a high-powered hover bike built for the skies. This electric VTOL beast delivers 430 horsepower through 4 tilting ducted fans, hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. With a top speed of 142 miles per hour, it's not just fast, it's fierce. The carbon fiber chassis isn't just for looks either, it's designed like a wing, providing nearly half the lift during flight for improved efficiency. Weighing in at just 639 pounds, the Airwolf can carry 2 passengers and cruise for up to 25 minutes, covering around 41 miles. And despite its futuristic vibe, it's grounded in smart engineering, balancing speed, agility, and eco-conscious performance. This isn't a drone. It's not just a bike. It's a whole new category of personal mobility. For those bold enough to fly solo through the future, Airwolf is your ride. What if your car could take off at the push of a button? Meet the Xpeng land aircraft carrier, a bold leap into the future of travel. This isn't your typical ride. It's a high-tech hybrid that merges rugged off-road power with next-level aerial capability. With a 6x6 all-wheel drive system, rear-wheel steering, and a sleek 3-axle build, it handles city streets and dirt trails like a pro. But here's the twist. Onboard sits a detachable flying module. With one-touch separation, it transforms from road warrior to airborne explorer in seconds. Powered by an 800 volts high-voltage system, it delivers up to 1,000 miles on land and recharges the flight module on the go. Inside, it seats up to 5 comfortably, blending luxury with function. Safety systems, futuristic design, and smart controls make it feel more like piloting a ship than driving a car. The Xpeng land aircraft carrier isn't just a vehicle, it's a launchpad for the future of mobility. Because when the road ends, your journey shouldn't. What if your car could lift off the ground and fly? The Xpeng X3 makes that dream real. This two-seater flying car is a futuristic hybrid that drives on roads and takes to the skies, all in one sleek, compact design. With 8 powerful propellers driven by 12 electric motors, it shifts from land to air in minutes thanks to retractable rooftop rotors. Its lightweight carbon fiber frame keeps things nimble, while advanced safety features and a simplified single-stick control make it easy and safe to operate. On the ground, it runs like a standard EV, quiet, clean, and road legal. You can even park it in a regular parking spot. What really sets the X3 apart is its dual-mode versatility. It's a car when you need wheels and an aircraft when the streets are packed. From traffic jams to takeoff, the Xpeng X3 isn't just redefining travel, it's giving mobility a whole new altitude. What if your next commute meant flying over traffic instead of sitting in it? Meet the SkyDrive SD-05. This sleek, single-seat electric aircraft is designed to lift off vertically and glide through the air with ease. Its 4-rotor setup ensures smooth takeoffs, stable flight, and pinpoint landings, all without the roar of traditional engines. At just 60 decibels, it's quieter than a normal conversation. The SD-05 hits speeds up to 100 km per hour and offers about 10 minutes of flight, perfect for quick, last-mile urban trips. Inside, an intuitive joystick and digital flight controls make piloting feel like second nature, even for first-time flyers. Redundant safety systems add an extra layer of trust in the skies. Engineered for dense cities and tight spaces, this compact flying car is redefining what personal mobility really means. The SD-05 isn't just a glimpse of the future, it's the first step into it. What if catching a flight felt as quick and quiet as calling a cab? Meet the Vertical VX4. This next-gen electric aircraft is built for fast, smooth, and silent city-to-city travel. With room for 4 passengers and a pilot, it cruises at 150 km per hour and covers up to 40 km, perfect for short urban hops. Its standout feature? A whisper-quiet electric propulsion system with 4 rotors and twin redundant engines, keeping noise levels under 60 decibels. The VX4's digital flight controls make navigating the skies feel effortless, while its aerodynamic shape and smart battery management ensure fast charging and minimal drag. It's sleek, efficient, and surprisingly intuitive. Designed for crowded skies and tight schedules, the VX4 isn't just a new way to fly, it's a smarter, cleaner way to move. In a world chasing speed and simplicity, the Vertical VX4 delivers both, quietly changing the way we take to the skies. What if your next business trip broke the sound barrier, without breaking the planet? Meet the Ariane Supersonic AS2. This sleek jet cruises at Mach 1.4, cutting transcontinental flight times in half while keeping things whisper quiet inside. With a range of 6,200 nautical miles, non-stop global travel is no longer just for dreamers. Inside, the AS2 blends comfort and class, offering space for 8 to 12 passengers in a beautifully crafted, low-noise cabin. Advanced pressurization and customizable interiors make every seat feel first class. But the real magic? Its low-boom technology allows supersonic speeds over land without the disruptive sonic booms. Add in a lightweight composite frame and next-gen propulsion, and you get cleaner, quieter, and more fuel-efficient flight. The AS2 isn't just fast, it's thoughtful, balancing performance with sustainability. This isn't just the future of business travel, it's a bold leap into the stratosphere. What if flying felt like slicing through the sky in a private rocket? Meet the Stratosphere of Volonaut. This next-gen jet isn't just fast, it's fierce. Topping out at 1,200 km per hour with a smooth cruise at 950 km per hour, it turns long-haul trips into short escapes. And with a 3,000 km range, it's built for serious distance. But speed is just the start. The Volanaut's ultra-light composite airframe and advanced propulsion system make it fuel-efficient and low-emission, redefining what green aviation can look like. Inside, it's all about comfort. Think room for 8 tailored interiors and climate control that adapts like it's reading your mind. Pilots benefit from a sleek digital flight system, layered safety protocols, and cutting-edge avionics that make every flight smooth and stress-free. The Stratosphere of Volonaut isn't just another jet. It's a bold statement in speed, style, and sustainability. Because the future of air travel shouldn't just be faster, it should be smarter. Because the future of air travel shouldn't just be faster, it should be smarter.